top there.
Yeah.
No more time.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another Carantics video. We're currently at the airport right now. It is 6:35 right now. We got here hella early. Our flight doesn't board until 7, leaves at 7:35. But as you can probably tell, I'll just let Andrew explain
What am I explaining?
what we're doing here.
Oh, so we're at the airport because we're actually flying to China because we are leaving the country because we done something and we gotta escape the country because we're running from the authorities. So this might be the last video depending on whether we make it or not and whether our fake passports are cleared or not. But I'm going back to my hometown, guys. Realistically though, all of it is true.
It is not true. It is not true.
Okay, for real, we are actually flying up north to San Jose. Reason for that is I've never mentioned this, or we haven't mentioned this on the channel before, but my car was sent up there to be repaired. As many of you know, I blew the motor because it had RTB issues and I was doing donuts and it went kablooey. But going up to San Jose because my car is finally finished being fixed, so finally get to see the car once again on the channel. That's the big announcement. GR86 coming back to the channel. We were flying up there and we're gonna drive back down. It'll be like an 8-hour drive, especially if it is raining, which it's been raining for the past few days here in California, so hopefully it's not too bad. Unfortunately, the car is put back to stock because, not gonna lie guys, there's a small time frame where I was planning on selling the car and was not planning on seeing it again after sending it up. So we put everything back to stock, but I still have all the parts, haven't sold any. So once we drive back down today, depending on what time we get here, we're gonna try to install as many parts as we can back on to get that crazy ass modded GR86 back on the roads and terrorizing the streets. Hopefully we don't crash on the plane or the car.
Yo.
Sorry, I can't say that. Hopefully we don't crash the car because it's storming and flooding, you know. Yeah, so here's some cool cinematics of the airport.
We're allowed on board.
In San Jose, can't believe we're here. Super quick move flight, but now we are waiting for a ride over to the shop that my car is at. The shop might have some cool cars there too, we'll see.
It's gonna have like a Prius.
Yo! We landed, walked outside, a Tesla went by, and Eric went, yo, they got Teslas here! Nissan Sentra! Dude!
Yo, it's a Prius, bro. I didn't know they drove up here.
Yeah,
what the fuck were those?
I thought we were in a different like country. It's all the same. It's all the same stuff, guys.
It's a Tesla, bro.
We got busted.
We got a bus, dude. The fuck, there's people here. Hi. You good?
So quiet. All right, we made it to the shop. I'm sure Derek showed some clips of what cars they got over here. There's like, how many? 300ZXs, which is kind of crazy. But obviously, car is back right here. Still got the wrap, cosmetic stuff, but obviously stock exhaust, stock everything, headers and everything. So it's gonna be a quiet drive down. But right now we're gonna go ahead and just drive it around the block, see how it feels, make sure everything is great. That will be it. We're gonna start making our way down to LA. So let's go ahead and do this test drive. I haven't driven in a hot minute a manual car, so hopefully I don't fuck it up, but let's do it.
This kind of smells good. It does smell. Let's see if he stalls. You didn't stall?
I didn't stall. I don't know the roads here. It feels great to be back in this seat. I want to so badly rip it, but I can't.
Don't do that. Just touch it.
Dude, this is smooth still. Okay, I got it still.
Donut real fast.
It's okay. It was weird though, because like you don't hear the downshift
Yeah,
I was like,
just...
did I rev that? Did it give it gas or not? I don't think I can tell you guys how happy I am right now to have the car back. We still gotta make it down though. Should we ask them about the muffler? That way I could hear the downshifts at least.
2 hours later.
We're back in the 80 fucking 6, dude. This is crazy. It's been so long.
Even for me, this feels like surreal being in the car again. What the fuck?
And it's completely stock, but it's still so like amazing.
Damn. It's only up from here, guys.
Up from
Unless, you know, we somehow...
I feel like we can still go down.
It can definitely go down. Damn. Well, before we head back, we're gonna hit McDonald's or some food spot because we haven't ate all morning, and we're also gonna stop for some Celsius because Celsius wants us.
So on a little E85, that might be why it feels a little like
That, yeah, maybe just the 85.
Fill up on the 80 or pump gas. And to drive down, I'll probably have to make like a pit stop somewhere in the middle, maybe 2 even for more gas. Stopping by McDonald's or some food place.
Oh, it's right there.
McDonald's, yeah.
Guys, there's a McDonald's. This McDonald's looks fucking weird compared to the ones back in our area.
It does look like. I mean, it's still kind of older. All the ones out there are modern looking now.
It has a play place too.
Yeah, it
I haven't
has a play
seen one of
place.
these in a minute. Alright, yeah. We're gonna go get some food and then we'll update you when we're on our way back. So, see you in a little bit. I don't even know if the camera's pointing at me.
Ah, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, good.
What's up? We're back on the road now. Finished eating and stuff. 5.5 to 6, 7 hour road trip back. Man, it's gonna be a long ass drive.
Well, see, this is like gonna be a review on how a road trip in the 86 is. Like, is it like doable? I feel like it's pretty doable. These seats are like, I feel like chilling for a while. I think I'll be fine.
Can you imagine if you had like actual bucket seats in here?
That'd be horrible. So bad.
Anyways, yeah, enjoy the montage of everything that we see along the way, and we will see you back at home. Peace.
Celsius, sponsor us. All right, y'all. Finally made it back home. Long 6-hour drive. A couple breaks in between to pee, fill up on gas and all that. We are finally back. Obviously, car's in the garage. And yes, it has been a long day. We're both fucking tired as fuck, right? Fuck twice. We're gonna work on the car right now because nobody likes seeing the car stock wheels like this in stock form. And stock, it makes 0 noises when it's stock. It's so quiet. We're gonna do coils, wheels, and then headers, front pipe, over pipe, exhaust. Let's get this. 3 hours to do it. Let's go. Stop putting. I also forgot to mention, included with the suspension that we're doing, I actually ordered lower control arm. As you know, if you guys seen for the wheels video, fitment, it was rubbing. So I think I got lower control arms, and that's gonna help with it obviously is gonna run some camber, which I'm not gonna really be performance driving this car as much anymore. So it's fine, as long as it doesn't rub as much. And maybe it'll help with fitment look. We can maybe tuck it in a little or get it a little lower. So we'll do that. That's gonna be it. Let's go.
Okay, so everything is pretty much on the car. Everything just needs to be tightened down, but Andrew's over here setting up the Cusco lower control arms for the car. Those are actually gonna go to the shop because we don't have the wrenches to actually torque those spinning collars down. So we'll just wait until tomorrow when Andrew gets his alignment at the shop, and then we'll go ahead and have them install it. These are just gonna go back on now, and then finish that up, finish adjusting the ride height, and then exhaust, I guess. Taillights, maybe. It's currently 8 o'clock, which is hella early still, so we'll see.
That's pretty early.
I low-key thought it was like 10 o'clock.
We kind of moved in, huh?
We got back at like 6.
Yeah, we started at 6. Moving to 1. So, not bad, not bad. So,
We'll update you guys when all of that's back. All right. Next update, header's back on, or all this is torqued down. Front side's torqued, we still need to do the back. Same, we have to adjust the ride height after. I don't know if we're gonna do that today or just leave it up to the shop tomorrow. That's up to Andrew, but yeah. That's torqued, still need to do that one. Headers are on, front pipe, over pipe are on, and now we're working on the cat back. Yeah, everything's almost back to how it was before Andrew sent it up to San Jose. Everything's shit done. Sorry, I'm gonna go help Andrew, so catch up with you in a second. So, wheels are back on, everything's torqued down, exhaust is back on. We'll get a startup for you in a second, but damn, look at this film. It hasn't even settled in. Sheesh. Anyways, we'll get the startup, and tomorrow we'll finish up with the fourth brake light, tail lights. What else do we have? Oh, we gotta get the alignment.
I don't know if they do oil changes, if they do. Actually, no, we'll do it ourselves. Alignment, we gotta do an oil change. They're gonna install lower control arms. That's what the alignment and all that. That's pretty much it. And I guess enjoy the car again. Hell yeah, I'm hungry. We always end the video on being like hungry or tired. Always both.
Today it's both.
Okay, that is it for now. Hope you all have a great Valentine's Day if y'all have a Valentine's. If not, that's what's up. Let's go.
She's back.
Fucking back,
Bitches! You guys ever seen, is it iCarly?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, when they get like the camera and
This
they're
guy feels like Freddy.
yeah, I feel like Freddy doing this. Ooh.